Hi, welcome to Audio Advice Live. I'm Don with Kanto. Showing today at this fantastic show is the new TUK Generation 2. TUK Generation 2 is the successor to our original TUK product, which features the AirMotion tweeter and AMT tweeter, as well as an aluminum woofer that performs really well and creates a lot of great high frequency response as well as deep bass. This speaker does play down to comfortably 55 hertz, which gets into almost quasi subwoofer range, which is great. Available in 5 finishes, as you're shown here. This is our new yellow, which is also known as a butter finish. It's available in a black. It's also available in white. It's available in a burlwood veneer as well as a walnut veneer. Price points range in the $8.99 for the painted cabinets to a $9.99 for the veneered cabinets. Connectivity options, always critical because these are powered speakers. So there's an amplifier in it that will drive both the left and right speaker. Connectivity, you're going to have a USB-C. There will be 2 RCA line inputs as well as Bluetooth, and you'll also have a subwoofer out. Oh, and there's also an optical input. So Toslink if you want to connect any high-resolution streaming device of your choice. So thank you for tuning in, and if you wish to know more about our products, please visit kantoaudio.com. Thanks, everyone.